Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's quick video, I'm going to show you how to fix the connection refused error on the Costco application. So whenever you see that type of error, the very first thing that you need to do is to simply check whether the internet connection that you are using is stable or not. Now, if you find that the internet connection is not stable enough, then you need to swipe down the notification bar, or you can just simply come inside the settings of your device. Now, inside the settings, you will be shown this type of airplane mode button. So you need to simply just tap on it in order to turn it on, then wait for 10 seconds and tap on it in order to turn it off. So this way the internet connection speed is going to improve dramatically. So once this is done, you need to just simply check the internet and see if it is now working properly again. Now, if you're using any kind of VPNs, private DNS, ad blocker, or these types of services, you need to also temporarily disable them while you are using Costco application, because these services can block the connection between the Costco application and its server. Now you can also check the date and the time settings on your phone. So over here you can come inside the settings and look for the option of date and time. Now over here you need to make sure that this particular button that says set time automatically is turned on. So it is going to show you the correct time. So the incorrect system time can also interfere with the secure connections. So you need to just simply follow these steps and do this setting, and this way you will be able to fix this issue.